how to use WeTransfer to send files. So in order to send files using the WeTransfer, you need to open a web browser on your computer. Then go to the official website of WeTransfer, that is WeTransfer.com. Log into your specific account, and if you do not have one, you can go ahead and create. Now, once you're in the website, accept the terms and click on Add Files option, which is in the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and select the file that you want to send. And once you've done that, tap on Transfer. You can select the file that you want to send, and you have a 2 GB limit. So you can either email the file or get a link. To get a link, you need to enter your email address, a title, and a message if desired. Then click on the 3 dots next to the time. And here you'll get the option of Create Link, which is below the Send Email option. Go ahead and tap on that. Note that some features require an upgrade, so you can also choose when the link will expire. Click on Get a Link, and a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter it, and once the file is uploaded, you'll receive a link that you can copy and share with others. It's that simple. Or you can directly tap on Send Email option, enter the email address, then tap on Transfer, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.